Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will explain to you how to connect Garmin to the NRC app. The Nike Run Club app is considered the best analysis tool for runners of all levels, as it provides motivation, guidance, and a big helpful community to enhance your running experience. If you are a user of the Nike Run Club app and you purchased a Garmin wearable, you might be searching for a way to connect your Garmin to Nike Run Club app so you can have all your fitness data in one place. So without wasting time, let's get started. Before going forward, you need to know, does Garmin work with Nike Run Club app? The simple answer is yes. Garmin works with the Nike Run Club app. You can connect your Garmin wearable with the NRC app, but make sure to grant all necessary permissions so that the NRC app can access data from your Garmin wearable. If you are engaging in outdoor activities like running or cycling and you don't have a phone at the time of exercising but you have Garmin wearable, then there is no need to worry. When your Garmin wearable connects to the NRC app, it will automatically update your data on the NRC app. Now I will tell you how to connect Garmin to the NRC app. To sync your fitness data from Garmin to NRC, you need to connect them. Before connecting, make sure you update your NRC app. Here are the steps that will help you to connect Garmin with NRC. Install Nike Run Club and make a Nike account. Open settings on the NRC app. Tap on Partners. Next, select Garmin and then tap on Continue. After that, sign in with your Garmin Connect account credentials. Authorize Nike Run Club to access your Garmin data. After connecting, NRC will automatically sync data from Garmin. You can also discover more features in the Nike Run Club app, such as sharing with the community and challenges. Maybe one more question might be disturbing you. Can you install NRC in Garmin? The answer is no. You cannot install NRC in Garmin. There is no process to install the Nike Run Club on Garmin. You can connect Garmin with the NRC app to record its fitness data. That's all for today guys. I hope this video helped you to connect Garmin to Nike Run Club. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.